Yo, welcome to today's vlog. Say hi, Ivana.
Hi.
Superhero.
Superhero. Batman. Over here.
Yeah, we're here at the metro station right here on Long Beach Boulevard.
Train. A rainbow train.
Yep.
We're stuck in the train.
And we're heading off to
Bobby.
the convention center.
Bobby.
What's up?
I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, to hide out
All right, guys, I'm right here with
Quincy Dawes, you know, local from Long Beach. We got my mom right here. She the OG, you know.
No.
Want to get some reindeer ears?
Yes, baby,
Would you like some candy?
Only one.
It's okay, you can have it. Merry Christmas. That's why I'm giving it to
All right, guys, I'm joined right here with
Sophia,
Saxon.
Lauren, Steven.
why are you guys dressed like this, or what's going on? Because I really got here.
You just got here? We're doing a tree lighting for the city of Long Beach, and we're performing here with the Long Beach Ballet. We're doing the Nutcracker here on 2 weekends in December, the weekend of 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th, and they asked us to come out here and show you guys what we're doing.
Yo, what's up, everybody? We got Santa Claus in the house. So, Santa Claus, you got something to say?
Let's grab them in.
Are you being serious, dude?
A big hug and tell them happy holidays.
I'm here just chilling right here with the big old giant bear. This is cool.
Champion an amazing cause. Destiny by serving notice to a city.
It's funny.
Is this funny? Ivana said this is funny.
This moment has tremendous significance. This moment signifies greater than any one zip code or any one neighborhood. And that's why this tree lighting sent.
All right, we have a special treat, Long Beach Poly.
All right, guys, we're right here joined with
Marion.
any special shout outs for somebody out there?
Roman Atwood.
Oh, we got a Roman Atwood fan right here. Hi guys, we see you guys next time.
Ay, hola. Yo pensando que era una foto.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Yara,
Yara, ¿desde dónde?
de Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
No.
¿Y qué es esto de acá?
Claro.
¿Ahí donde trabajas?
Y es la transmisora de Telemundo. Sí. Ay, ¿qué pasó,
Ay, pues,
hermosa?
adiós.
Saludos.
Bye.
Un beso, bye.